distribution of Micro ATM to enhance services of banks to the public. In an effort to take the services of banks to the doorsteps of customers and members of the public through business correspondent agent, the District Mission Management Unit of West Jaintia Hills, in collaboration with the Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society, NABARD, and the Meghalaya Rural Bank today distributed Micro ATMs to 14 business correspondent agents of West Jaintia Hills at a program held in the conference hall of the Deputy Commissioner's office. These business correspondent agents are members of the self-help group recognized by the MSRLS, and their responsibilities are to assist the public residing in the rural areas in opening new bank accounts, withdrawing money, apply for loans, amongst others, without having to visit a physical bank anymore. Mr. K. Kharbuli exhorted the BC to act responsibly and with accountability. They are to ensure that the services are available to the public without fail, and to inform the host banks immediately upon detection of any errors. He also said that the future of the banks now rests on the soldiers of the BC, since they are able to reach the remotest area in the rural areas, and a time will come when they will have to provide similar services in the cities too. Mr. R. Shadab, District Mission Manager Marks MSRLS, went on to inform the gathering that as an experiment the services has been introduced in Mingsa with the assistance of the rural bank Shangpung. Mr. P. K. Boro, Additional Deputy Commander, West Jaintia Hills, wished the program every success in the future. Others who spoke at the event included Mr. G. N. Karluki, Manager of NABARD, and others.
Banking correspondence pinda yu bubun sini piniadan hayol na ha kecakapan dak lomnur. Lanya tak teman gigi depla banle solusi yang kanjin labian dan lembaga ini gi mobile ATM gi katmo balong bok balong batra katsaba pile. Tikni ka future hi kadai banking kadai yafi. Ka bank nesa like fidek future jadi staff kumbangi mentang ini staff po bang no kini ki BM gi ni dan dai persen menta ka banking hi ka future ka dai bet but banking correspondence namar ka katkum hadu menta ka proof ka bank kamla ban ni ki staff mla ban mi shbar inle chabar la habdan da ki mla ka ni bopno namar ka system hadu menta computerize ka system kadang di tengah po branch ni haban ne betang branch kinde sulit chabar untuk la syarab out of the way ndai haba hadu ngiwan bang hapo office ban pendek transaction
pa iwe na pi bedon ni bro pi ki business correspondent pi ki bank saki pi ki perlok jong ki nom pi ki perlok jong ki pat mar komunya kerana ne ka bank kamla ulet man ka television kamla ulet man ka shnong shakndong tere pi ki extension jong bank pi ki extension jong ni iwe be shong ne sing Bro system yang kerana ni sepang digital financial inclusion, yang kerana sepang digital finance, yang kerana sepang delivering of financial services to the last mile. Te having a show hang ni, kadau babro yang lumlang ni, kamdai kecai kalau tangman IT yang kini tiar, kini di tang kijung bor, kini di tang ki weapons mo. This is your weaponry, wapila badra. Nakaparang yung deployment of financial services to the last mile, to the doorstep ko mo iba rolling mane, and at the same time ni pelong iki ru bekitu no affordable yung mane, they should be low cost, they should be sustainable. Okay, kani ketika partnership perang jongka MSRLS, perang jongka Meghalaya Rural Bank, perang jongka NABARD, ini ditang jing sedang ni berit, nyinang yai we hope and nyinang yai kermen. Bagi nak hamja ju kom gini kita innovations kom gini kita pengilak ban replicate gini kita innovations mah hak stage me.
One is your responsibility and one is duty. Once you are assigned, you must being business correspondent perform your assigned duties and responsibilities to deliver your services to the people who are unable to reach to the far-flung areas wherein the banks are located. The purpose of this project is to reach to the unreached beneficiaries. Now you will be the extension. You will be the extensions of our banks. You will be delivering your services to the even old and poor people who are living in accessible areas. I think with these projects, with these concepts, at least in our districts, these financial services at the doorstep will be improved.